Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. So it's been a while since I've done a Stitch Fix video, and if you haven't seen one of my previous unboxings, I want to share a little bit about Stitch Fix and what it is. So Stitch Fix is basically an online styling service. You pay a $20 styling fee and a stylist will pick out 5 curated pieces for you to try on. They ship them right to your house. You try them on, you keep what you want to keep, and you send back what you don't want to keep. Your $20 does go towards any purchases you make, and if you keep all 5 items, you do get a little bit of a discount on your overall total. So I've been using Stitch Fix since the spring of 2021, a few months after my son was born, because, you know, as a stay-at-home mom and just with little kids in general, you don't have a lot of time to go shopping and try on things in the stores. So it's really helped me keep my wardrobe updated and to find pieces that fit me nicely, the quality's pretty nice, and that make me feel good and put together as a mom. So today's box is my fall box. I have not received a box since the spring. I didn't do a summer box this year because I just didn't need any summer pieces. You can get fixes pretty much as frequently as you want. I choose to do them about once every season just to replenish my wardrobe with a few unique pieces. And this year I really found that I really need some fall and winter pieces. Most of the things that I have from previous years are stained from like baby spit up or food or, you know, whatever, just the baby and newborn phases. So Grant is 2 years old now, so not that we're out of the messes, but my clothes don't get quite as stained as bad anymore. So all of that stuff had to go out, and so I'm really looking for some new pieces to add to my wardrobe. So I requested maybe some button-up shirts, cardigans, a nice new pair of jeans, and so I'm excited to share with you guys what is in this box. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I will talk through all the pieces and everything as we go along. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the lighting in this video. It is currently 8:30 at night. My box arrived around maybe like 4 or 4:30 this afternoon, and I just haven't had a chance to film, but I wanted to open it today for you guys and get a look at what's inside. So that's why I'm filming so late, and I just have the light on here in our bedroom. In your box, you will receive a prepaid mailing envelope, and this is where you put all the pieces you don't want to keep, and you just stick it in your mailbox, and USPS will take care of the return for you. So that's a really nice feature. And then you also receive a pricing sheet and a styling card, which has like suggested outfits that you can plan with that. So let's go ahead and look at all these things. My bundle has come open in the package. I'm pretty sure, so I requested my box to be delivered on Monday, October 3rd, and it didn't even ship until Tuesday, October 4th, and today is the 5th, and it finally got here. So I have a feeling that maybe they kind of threw it together pretty fast, but I don't know. Anyways, here is what used to be the bundle. The paper has ripped off of it. So I see 4 pieces here in some lovely fall colors, looks like. And then I think I received a pair of shoes. I didn't request shoes. This is my first time ever receiving shoes in a Stitch Fix box, so we'll see. We'll see. I do need new shoes, honestly, but I don't know. We're just gonna see. Let's see what my stylist wrote in the card. Hi Katie, welcome to your 6th fix. So this is my 6th Stitch Fix box. I hope you're having a wonderful day as you receive this box in the mail. Thank you for your selections in the preview. So they do send you a preview, I think with like 10 items, and you can pick the 5 you want to receive. Unfortunately, I only liked 2 of the pieces in my preview, so I chose those 2, and then you just leave some feedback for your stylist and they can pick you 3 additional pieces. added some jeans for you to try. Flannels are currently unavailable in your fit. That is one thing that I did ask for, was a flannel button-up shirt. And maybe I just wasn't clear on the wording of it. I didn't technically want flannel, just like a plaid button-up shirt, but that's okay. Okay, Tiffany is my stylist. So, let's see. I have a feeling that this may be not as great of a fix as normal. So let's look at the clothes. So here is the first sweater. This is one that I picked from the preview. So it is kind of a burnt orange rust color sweater with long sleeves, and then I really liked this feature. It has buttons down the side. Again, I'm really sorry for the lighting. But let's see, this is, oh, it's hard to read. The brand is Letty and Me December side button detail sweater in brown, size small. I would call this almost like a rust or a burnt orange, not a brown. But it's very lightweight, but it looks nice. Okay, the next top is this. I believe it is the exact same top I'm wearing. Has the front tuck detail, and so does this one. And it's the exact same brand that I'm wearing. This is a Stitch Fix top. It's cute. This is the Market and Spruce Samantha front twist brushed knit top in gray, size medium, which I believe the one I'm wearing is a small, so I'm not sure that this will fit. I'm not a huge fan of horizontal stripes. I do have a lot of tops with horizontal stripes, but I believe most of them are for summertime, so I may consider keeping this one. We will see. The next piece is the other one that I picked from the preview. It is a cardigan. It is this lovely burnt orange color, and it's very see-through, thin, as you can see. This is the Market and Spruce Cecily Pointel Open Duster Cardigan in burnt orange, size small. So I think that is really cute and just would be really good for layering. And then it says here she did include a pair of jeans. There were a couple pairs of jeans in my preview, but they were all looked like skinny jeans, and I want to try like some new trends. I know flare jeans are back, or like bootcut jeans, or maybe like a more relaxed like mom jean or a boyfriend type jean. And I don't know that I was clear enough in what I requested, and I'm not sure that these are going to be long enough because I am 5'11", and I'm a size 4 tall in most cases, and I'm not aware that they carry tall or like extra long lengths. But these are the Studio Blue Imogene mid-rise bootcut jean in indigo, size 4. Okay, so let's check out these shoes. I'm very surprised to have received a pair of shoes, honestly. Okay, so here's what they look like. It is a suede booty. It has quite a bit of a heel on it, which I'm not opposed to, but for practical everyday wear, I mean, probably not. These are the Dolce Vita Domino suede heeled booty in gray, size 10. So they are my size. I'm a little weary about suede. Like, you can't wear them when it rains, right? Because it'll ruin it. I'm sure they're not real suede, but yep. Okay, I'm a little nervous about this one. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little out of my comfort zone, and I had high hopes for this box, but we will see. Maybe I'll love it all. Maybe I'll hate it. Who knows? So we are gonna go ahead and jump into the try on portion of today's video. I'll play some music. At the bottom of the screen, I will share the names of the items and the prices, and then I will meet you guys back here to let you know what I decided to keep and what I decided to return. Okay, you guys, that's going to wrap up today's Stitch Fix unboxing and try on video. I will put on the screen right here what I decided to keep and what I decided to return, or if I decided to keep everything. I am really excited to share these videos with you, and I hope that if you are a stay-at-home mom, working mom, any mom, I just hope that this encourages you to spend a little bit of money on yourself, make sure you feel confident in the clothes that you're wearing, and to keep your wardrobe updated, because it really does make this a little bit of difference when we can do things for ourselves. I hope you guys are having a great day. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you like Stitch Fix unboxings, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite piece was from today's unboxing and try on. Stay tuned, subscribe if you guys are new. Join me here at Kindly Katey. We're going to be doing so many more fall videos coming up, and then Christmas is not too far away, so we'll be doing all the cleaning, all the decorating, and all the festive things for the season. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!